Hi wonderful friends, I'm gonna show you this beautiful metal farmhouse tree collar. So it comes with all the little screws and the utensil to use it. 4 of these metal pieces. It has holes on one side and the other side is kind of indented to put the next piece against it. So these are the beautiful 4 pieces. Let's put it together. So you just put the screw in the front and you screw the backing in the back. It's pretty simple to put it together, and to tighten it, you use this little screwdriver. It was pretty easy to put together. I am so excited to put it on. And it's nice, the little screws kind of match the front. That's how it looks on the inside. There it is, complete. So now let's dress up the tree stand. Okay, so my tree stand is 20 inches and this tree collar says it's for 24 inch. So I have like a little gap, but it looks so pretty. So it would close completely if it was 24 inches, but mine is 28. So it has one of the sides, it just stays open. But that's kind of cool that it will fit on a bigger tree stand. Also, it's 18 inches tall. Link in the bio.